Smart Devil 3-pack screen protector is engineered for the Samsung Galaxy S25, offering crystal clear clarity and top-tier durability. Crafted from 9H tempered glass, it provides superior scratch resistance and impact protection without compromising touch sensitivity. Fingerprint reader compatibility ensures a seamless unlocking experience, while the fast and easy installation kit eliminates bubbles for a perfect fit. With an ultra-thin yet highly resilient design, this screen protector delivers maximum protection and responsiveness, making it an essential accessory for your Galaxy S25. Sturker magnetic ring stand case for Samsung Galaxy S25. Upgrade your Samsung Galaxy S25 with the Sturker magnetic ring stand case, designed for ultimate protection and convenience. Built with military-grade drop protection, this case absorbs shocks and safeguards your device from accidental drops. The 360-degree rotating kickstand provides hands-free viewing, while the strong magnetic backing ensures seamless compatibility with magnetic mounts. Its crystal clear, non-yellowing design maintains the phone's sleek look while offering durable, long-lasting protection. A perfect blend of style, function, and defense for your Galaxy S25. Taurus magnetic stand for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra case, premium protection and functionality. The Taurus magnetic stand case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a perfect blend of durability, functionality, and sleek design. Engineered with fit-for-MagSafe technology, it ensures seamless wireless charging and strong magnetic alignment. This military-grade drop-tested case offers exceptional shock absorption, keeping your device protected from accidental drops and impacts. The built-in ring stand provides a secure grip and doubles as a convenient kickstand for hands-free viewing. With its translucent matte finish and slim profile, this case enhances your phone's aesthetics while maintaining a lightweight feel. For those seeking superior protection with modern versatility, the Taurus A-stand case is a top-tier choice. Upgrade your iPhone 15 Pro Max with this 360-degree rotatable stand magnetic ring case, designed for ultimate convenience and protection. Featuring MagSafe compatibility, it ensures seamless wireless charging, while the ultra-clear back showcases your device's sleek design. The military-grade drop protection absorbs shocks and impacts, safeguarding your phone from everyday drops. Its built-in magnetic ring offers a secure grip and transforms into a sturdy stand, perfect for hands-free viewing. Experience durability, style, and functionality, all in one premium case. The Island 3-pack screen protector offers premium protection for your iPhone 16, featuring high-quality tempered glass that resists scratches, smudges, and daily wear. Its case-friendly design ensures a seamless fit without interfering with your phone case. The included 3-pack camera lens protectors safeguard your lenses from dust and impact while maintaining crystal-clear photo quality. With an easy-to-use installation frame, applying the protectors is effortless, ensuring a bubble-free, precise fit. If you're looking for durable, ultra-clear, and reliable protection, this set is a must-have for your iPhone 16.